Welcome back. I literally just threw on this dress so I could do this unmolding. I made these yesterday while at the holiday and I wanted to see how they came out. Ooh, not quite enough brown. I was hoping it would be more brown on there, but it came out on the edges, so I guess still kind of on theme. But I think I like, so like I did something with the gold and I think I like this. I think I like what I did. I'm doing everything because I got things to do and I gotta get out of here. Okay, all right. We're gonna see which one of these vulvas best matches it, because I made this so that I kinda, these are from the same batch, but I made this one darker. Ooh, hey girl, hey girl. I made this one darker, and then the pour was, oh wait, it matches this not perfectly, but better, because this one was the original and then I added more brown for this one. Damn, I gotta look at what I have on the table and decide which one is gonna be the sacrificial lamb, because one of them is gonna be on this, because I also made this. So this was from the unmolding that I did, and then I put, it's still not what you call it, but I put, damn, it's not centered, I don't think. No, well, I think it is centered. I'm looking at the back and I see the hole where I drilled for the incense. Can you see it? Yeah, the hole, that's not centered, but also that's like up there, but I love it. Yeah, it's not centered. Now I'm looking at it, there's way more space on this side. Oh well, y'all will be okay, all right? I did this at night outside, so whatever. But I'm vending at a sapphic, ooh. Okay, hold on, because I did the fudge out of this. The colors didn't blend all the way in some parts, but I don't care about that. I care about how shiny and clear. Okay, so I did what I was supposed to be doing then. I was massaging the hell out of these corners. I got one little bubble here that, you know, fought the test of time, but I think this might be the smoothest. This is clean. Okay, get in there. All right, so that's that. And then this one is a custom request, and I'm hoping it came out. This is a request. I did it while at the market. Came in just in time as I was mixing, and I was like, girl, make a decision. I love it, because it's supposed to be like a little, I'm obsessed. Sorry, my mouth just opened. I'm obsessed. I'm making more of these. Yeah. OMG. Like, I did it with like a little, what you call it, and I'm like, but, and I need to stop playing, because I said I was gonna do the clear first and then what you call it, but I didn't do that in this case, and not pleased. But I have to go over this again with resin, so we're gonna adhere that. I'm obsessed. Okay, all right, so we got this. It's a Kewchie bowl. It's gonna be a Kewchie bowl for the Kewchie girls. We got this, we got these, we got this girl, because I realized I had no pink on the table, no pink incense holder, and we got this. Yeah, and that's everybody. Okay, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.